What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is snowing outside and you know me, I am utilizing this time to restore these cars. Now, if you haven't checked out the episode, we restored the 427. We also did the 63 split window, which there's no video on that one. And there's also no video on the Ford GT. We just finished this bad boy. I mean, the detail of these were really good. Look at the lenses. I mean, they did a phenomenal job back in the early days of Big Time Muscle. We still have the 300, the 56 Chevy, the Mercury, the 33 Ford. I think that's a Chevy pickup. We also have the GNX and the COE to do. And it does take time because I do fully take these apart. And I use warm, mild detergent in here. I use a brush. I take it all apart. I clean it. I use my computer can air blower, air duster, whatever you want to call it. We do a polishing compound and a detail wax, and then they end up looking like these two. We finished these up the other day, 67 GT500 as well as the GT500 KR. But the difference between this one and the one I've had in the collection are, you can see there's a color shade difference, very, very subtle, but check out the wheels. You have these special Carroll Shelby Signature Series, and then you have these really cool twisties on the later one. So this one has a black and chrome interior. The dash is just chrome. You have chrome tanks for the nitrous bottles. But when you come onto the older one, check this out, guys. You have Hurst comp shifters. You have Carroll Shelby Signature on the dash. You have a blue nitrous bottle as well as the red fire extinguisher. Got the snake, speakers in the back, two-tone interior with the black and yellow theme. But then when you come on this one, it's just black and chrome. So there was a huge difference when I thought I just had two of them. Closer inspection when I was taking it apart was, no, these wheels are different. And then that's when I realized they were out of two different series. Now, my buddy said it came out of a special edition. Hopefully I can find a picture of the box and post it up here for you guys. Then you come into the later years, this black on black. They removed the tanks that used to sit in between the seats. They removed the speakers. They removed a lot of detail. Look at that, interior's just flat. And then even on the burnt orange one, there's no details at all. So you can see where they were going, and then kind of where they're at now. So they removed a lot of interior detail, which is kind of disappointing because we all love the details of these castings that we get in the collection. But we are slowly moving down the line of getting all of these restored and cleaned and just looking fresh like these right here. But other than that, guys, that was just a quick update. But please be sure to check out the 427 full clean of that car. I mean, you can see the transition from how it looked as a barn find, which I thought looked really cool, but making it look pristine again, gosh, that thing is nice. So with that, guys, we also did score two new pullbacks. Of course, you guys know I've been picking up a lot of Kinsmart, and they are Dark Horse heavy. Check it out. Two new releases. You have the Ford Performance livery on the 2024 Dark Horse. This is the Oxford white version. Very cool. And then we also found the blue one. Look at this one. This one's nice, but I definitely do prefer the white one over it. Now, when it comes to this livery, we do have it from the 124 scale, Big Time Muscle sitting over here. So there we go. We have 124. Now we have the 138 scale. So there we go. There's two other color variations or color releases to this Dark Horse. There's a black one and I believe a blue one, kind of similar to this one. I want to find those so bad. But so far we only have the pink slips, the blue, red, black, and then of course the Ford Performance for the Dark Horses. But now we can add these to the collection, which we are making room right here. So we have all of these Dark Horses. We can move the Fast and the Furious. These were all Jada. We can also move this beautiful Shelby. Put this one right there. We'll put this one right here. Man, this thing is dusty. So this was when I went to Shelby Fest 2015 in Missouri. Of course, this is the Shelby Daytona. We could probably put one of these back down here. And then we will start moving up here. We got to set this one straight. Yeah, just making more room, guys. But there we go. Some new Dark Horses added to the collection. Look at that. Man, those 138s look amazing. Other than that, guys, it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. Now, this box right here is from my cousin Renee. I haven't seen or spoken to him in so long, but I'm excited. He sent me a car. He thinks I have it in the collection, but there's only one way to find out, and it's to see what's inside. All right, guys, let's see what it is. Oh, we got big time. Check it out. Nice. Oh, and it's the Dark Horse, guys. Here we go. Ooh, number 2 for the collection. Look at that. Gosh, that is nice. I don't care how many of these I get. This is beautiful, man. Gosh, especially with it being the same color as Ruby. But it looks a little different in body lines. It might be the same. Yeah, it's the same exact release. So here we go. Number 2 for the collection. Dude, Renee, thank you so much. And then, of course, huge congrats to your child. And of course, my man is getting married. How freaking cool is that? That is awesome. Read his little note on here. Luckily, I didn't cut across because he did have this card in here. But yeah, July 31st, he had his son. Next year, they're getting married. How freaking awesome is that? Big, huge congrats. And of course, my love from me to you guys. We wish you the best. So we also got some multi-packs in the house. Here we go. We have the new Let's Race series. Actually, I think this one's from last year. But you got a really cool truck. I've always been contemplating on picking up this truck just because it looks cool. It's a fantasy casting, but it's really well done. Of course, you got the twin mill. You have the rod mod, I think it is. Rip rod. There you go. Skull Crusher and the Rocket Fire. So maybe these could be set on the track for a race day. Oh, and here we go. We have the Mopar set. Nice. I actually do have this one. Well, I did have this one. I only picked it up for the Viper, but I might as well just use these for the track as well. So there we go. We got some Mopars in the house, and that is the package from my cousin. Talk about cool, guys. This one we'll probably open up and detail it. I don't know, since I'm starting to open up these cars. Maybe we'll just go ahead and open this one and do a full detail, full build of a Dark Horse. I think that would be pretty sweet. But here we go, 2 5-packs. We're going to use these as racers on the track. We'll figure out who's going to drive what car. I already have an idea of which Mopar is going to who. But there we go, guys. That is all we have for this episode. Quick mail call, quick update on the 124 barn finds. 3 out of, yeah, all these. Actually, we did 5 cars so far. So 5. We still have 6 more to go. 7, technically. 7 more cars to go. Just halfway there. But hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Like I said, it's snowing here. We're just going to stay inside, get some stuff done, and then, of course, get ready for Turkey Day. So with that, guys, have a great weekend. Whenever this episode posts, just enjoy time with family. So that is all we have. Until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.